Hey you guys, Sandy Rogers here, day 39 of my urine fast, and I am just so overwhelmed today. So I got up this morning and went to the garden, and like with anything, once I get started, it seems like I'm just doing this complete job, right? So um, I had a dirty windshield and it was very difficult for me to see out of the window. And so when I got home, my intention was to wipe the windshield off, make sure the windshield was clean. And I started doing that, but I just want to report I actually washed my car when I went to wash the windshield. It turned out the whole car got washed. So that's just a demonstration of my energy level, and so I wanted to share that with you. I also want to let you see that that little ringworm type of situation that I had is no longer there. So I was able to completely cure that, heal that, have that removed from my face as a result of being on this 40-day urine fast. And so it's just been amazing. I'm doing all kinds of things. This is one of the trees right here that I hug on when my energy is just like so far high that I need to get grounded. And I love hugging on trees, and you see how large this one is. So I wanted to share that with you. And just wanting to make sure that I'm covering with you as much of the details as possible. My intention is to take you with me through the process of the orange juice on in 2 days, and then also the making of the soup. I actually started chopping up some of the fresh farm vegetables that I got when I was in Tennessee and Kentucky. Actually, all the vegetables came from Kentucky, from off of two farms. I believe I told you the other day, the Russellville Community Co-op, and then the Amish farm that was there. So I got purple bell pepper. Oh my God. I got eggplant, and I've got sweet peppers and some small potatoes that are actually gold on the inside. And I got Cherokee purple tomatoes that are just, they look incredible. And then from out of my own garden today, I got some okra, I got basil, and I got rosemary. So all of that is going to be added to my soup broth that I already have made up. Oh yeah, and I got string beans, and there was something else I was trying to. Oh, and I got tomatoes. I got tomatoes from Kentucky, and so that'll be a part of the soup base as well. So I've got hearty, strong vegetables, and I picked the rest of my carrots from out of my garden today. So that's all going to be combined in my vegetable soup, and it's all homegrown or grown on a farm that I'm familiar with the person, or I am the person that actually grew the vegetables. So I'm excited about that. Just, I know it's going to be so delicious. So thank you for being with me. I appreciate you. I love you so much. And look forward to continuing this journey and explaining and sharing with you all of what's going on. So, from me and my tree, I love you. We'll see you tomorrow.